Hey everybody, I've been accused of having long videos. This one's going to be a short video. I want to show you a very quick project that I've done. So Lori Moreno and others make beautiful murrini, but Lori sells hers in these chunks that are larger, and I flattened them out in the kiln. And so I have a whole pile of these flattened murrini and millefiori chunks. And then what I did was I took two of them and I sandwiched a piece of nichrome wire between them, and I made wine charms. So you can buy the wine charm rings on Amazon, and I've already posted that in my Amazon store if you want to check it out. The link is in the video description. The link to Lori's website and her Etsy page, although I don't think she has any of the chunks available now, but I'll also post that in the video description. And all I did was I took some nichrome wire. In this case, I used 26 gauge wire and just cut off a little bitty string of it. This is also in my Amazon store. Cut off a stretch of it and then just created a little loop and twisted it around. Now I would cut this extra off. It doesn't need to be quite that long. But then I found, two pieces here that were relatively similar in size. And I would put one down on my kiln shelf. I would sandwich this little loop in there with the other one on top. And then I put a 3mm piece of fiber paper under there just to create some landing for this so that it didn't fall down or something. So I don't know if that's really necessary, but put a little 3mm piece of paper there to support that, and that worked well. Did a full fuse in my kiln, which was 1475 for 10 minutes, and this is what I came up with. And so super easy. I anticipate these might be a great seller for the holidays. Clearly I've got lots of these. I think you generally would sell wine charms in a set of 6. And so I think I've got 6 different flower varieties between this and a whole nother batch that I have. Fun idea, super easy, quick to make. You got to press your murrini chunks first, then fuse them with some wire in between. The nichrome wire does come out a little dull. I'm sure I could take a Dremel and a little polishing bit and clean those up, and they'd look nice and shiny, which would be better presentation. Hope you learned something. Hope you like this idea. Go do it. Go sell them. Good luck. Catch you later. Bye.